In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the ice dispenser door in your Whirlpool refrigerator. If you need to buy a new ice dispenser door, check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. Open the ice dispenser door by pressing the locking tab up. Then, remove the 3 Phillips screws and remove the door. When shopping for a new ice dispenser door, be sure you're searching with the model number from the tag on your appliance to make sure you get the correct part. Install the door by aligning the hinge and reinstalling the screws. That's it for this video. If you learned something new, hit that like button. And if you enjoy fixing things and want to see more videos like this and these, please consider subscribing.